Qingdao Rigang Steel Structure Company Limited is located in Huangdao area of Qingdao City, just 30 kilometers to Qingdao Port. We cover an area of 45,000 square meters, which is professional in scope of design, manufacture, installation of steel structure products. Steel structure building features with fast construction and easy installation, time and labor saving, long lifetime over 50 years, prefabricated and customized designs, strong, stability, durability, and statics, environmental friendly, which could be recycled used, anti-seismic, waterproof, larger interior space. We adhere to the idea of honesty and trust, customer first, quality supreme, focusing on details, and perfection pursuing. Welcome to contact us for further negotiation of your projects and achieving mutual success.